Alright, now I'm going to show you how to put together the smooth operator circuit. So what you're going to need is a battery pack with your 2 AA batteries, a breadboard, the buzzer, some sandpaper, your small magnetic wire, your magnets, and 3 jumper wires. And you're going to want one of your very long jumper wires. So the first thing you're going to do is hook up your battery pack to the positive and negative strip of the breadboard. And then you're going to take your first jumper wire and plug it into the positive strip, and then just to an empty row out here. And then you're going to take your small magnetic wire and you're going to place it with one of the terminals in that same row, and then the other terminal in just an empty row out here. And you're going to want to make sure that the inside of this wire is all the way stripped, so you can see the brighter colored wire underneath. And you can just make sure that it's totally stripped by using your sandpaper. So the next thing you're going to do is plug your buzzer into the last row here, and you're going to put the positive terminal, which is the longer terminal, in the row, and then the negative terminal can go into the negative strip of the breadboard. And then you're going to take the very long jumper wire, plug it into that same row, and then connect your magnets to the other terminal. And they will just kind of adhere because they're both magnetic. But if it helps, you can also put a strip of tape over top to hold it there. You just want to make sure that the strip of tape does not go on the side of the magnets. So now you can try to make the magnets pass through the loop. And if you fail and make contact, the buzzer will go off. Probably have